Why can't humans live more than 200 years? The truth behind our lifespan. Have you ever wondered why, despite all our technological advances, modern medicine, and scientific breakthroughs, human beings still can't live beyond 200 years? What stops us from breaking this mysterious biological limit? Is it nature's law, or are there secrets science has yet to uncover? Welcome to our channel. If you love exploring the mysteries of life, science, and human existence, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave your thoughts in the comments. We want to know what you think about this topic. Could humans ever reach a 200-year lifespan? Let's dive into this fascinating question together. The ancient dream of living longer. For centuries, humanity has dreamed of living longer, healthier lives. Ancient myths spoke of immortals and legendary figures who lived for hundreds, even thousands of years. From the Sumerian king list, which mentions rulers living for thousands of years, to the biblical figures like Methuselah, who supposedly lived 969 years, the idea of extreme longevity has always captured human imagination. But in reality, even the oldest verified human, Jean Calment from France, lived only 122 years. And most of us don't even get close to that. So why? Why can't we push this boundary further? The biological clock inside us. The truth is, aging is deeply programmed into our biology. Every cell in our body has a built-in expiration date. Our DNA contains protective caps called telomeres at the end of each chromosome. Every time a cell divides, these telomeres get a little shorter. Eventually, they wear down so much that the cell can no longer divide, and this triggers aging. This process, known as cellular senescence, is like a ticking clock that limits how many times a cell can reproduce. When cells stop dividing, tissues begin to weaken, organs start to fail, and we slowly decline. Even if modern science could slow this process, it's almost impossible to stop it entirely with our current understanding. Why modern medicine can't stop aging yet? Yes, modern medicine can fight diseases, repair damage, and even extend lifespan, but it doesn't stop aging itself. It's like patching holes on an old ship. You might delay the sinking, but you can't make the ship brand new again. Scientists have experimented with ways to slow aging, like gene editing, regenerative medicine, and anti-aging drugs. Some studies on mice have even shown promising results. But in humans, the complexity of our biology makes it much harder. There are simply too many systems in our bodies, immune, cardiovascular, nervous, that degrade over time. Fighting one form of decay won't stop all the others. The cost of pushing lifespan limits. Even if we did find a way to dramatically extend human lifespan, would that be entirely good news? Think about this. Living for 200 years would put enormous pressure on social systems, economies, and resources. Jobs, pensions, housing, food supplies, everything would have to adjust. Some experts warn that extreme longevity could create new social inequalities, where only the richest can afford life-extending technologies. And then there's the psychological side. Would a human mind cope with 2 centuries of memories, losses, and emotional experiences? It's a fascinating but complex topic, one that opens more questions than answers. Nature's rule, the longevity ceiling. Almost every species on Earth has a natural lifespan limit. Mice live about 2 to 3 years. Dogs can reach up to 20. Whales can live for over 200 years, and some tortoises even longer. But humans seem to have a biological ceiling set between 120 and 130 years. Some scientists believe this ceiling comes from evolution. Our bodies are designed for survival and reproduction, not eternal life. Once we've passed the age of reproduction, natural selection no longer pressures our genes to keep us alive. In a way, nature doesn't care about what happens after we've fulfilled our evolutionary role. Are there exceptions? The curious cases. Interestingly, a few species seem to defy aging. Take the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, for example, which can revert its cells to a younger state and repeat its life cycle indefinitely under certain conditions. Or the Greenland shark, which can live over 400 years. Scientists are studying these creatures, hoping to unlock the secrets of their long lives. But transferring these biological tricks to humans? That's still a long way off. The future of human lifespan. What awaits us? Will science ever crack the code and allow humans to live for 200 years or more? Some futurists believe that with advancements in genetic engineering, AI-driven medicine, and nanotechnology, we may one day be able to hack our biology. Projects like CRISPR gene editing, stem cell research, and even artificial organs are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But even these cutting-edge technologies face massive ethical, biological, and societal challenges. One thing is clear: if we ever reach a point where living beyond 200 years becomes possible, it will change humanity forever. What do you think? Do you believe humans will ever break the 200-year lifespan limit? Would you want to live that long? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you see it as a dream come true, or a nightmare waiting to happen? And if you love exploring the mysteries of life, science, and human potential, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more mind-blowing content coming up. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.